This is our vertical liquid packing machine. It's suitable for liquid product packing like water, sauce, and oil. This machine consists of two parts. Let's see how this machine works. First part is the liquid pump, which is for melting the liquid. Before run the machine, we need to put the liquid into the hooker. Second part is bean machine. This is 160 type bean machine module. This machine uses the low fill to form the bed. We can add the day printer there to print the day. This is the sealing and cutting structure. Let's see the finished bag. We can operate the machine on touch screen. Here is the machine structures and electronic components.